and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Yoga asanas for menstrual cycle regulation. Simple yoga asanas for menstrual cycle regulation or to control PCOS. According to WHO, 116 million, which is 3.4% of women, are suffering from PCOS worldwide. According to the National Health Portal of India, 9.3% and 22.5% of women in South India and Maharashtra dealing with PCOS issues. The very common sign of PCOS is irregular periods in women. PCOS or PCOD is a disorder where the hormonal level in a woman's body is not balanced. In PCOS, ovaries get enlarged and cysts appear there, which can cause the more secretion of male hormones, androgens. It can lead to obesity, diabetes, and infertility. When androgen production is higher in a woman's body, it leads to unwanted hair growth on the body and face with baldness that causes depression. PCOS creates difficulties in conceiving and many times convert into fertility. How to treat PCOS? Medical treatment. You can visit a good gynecologist and start medical treatment. Doctors generally prescribe a combination of contraceptive pills and diabetes controlling drugs like metformin with combinations to treat PCOS. Natural treatment. Eating the right diet, healthy food, iron and magnesium rich foods can help you to balance your hormones. Some exercises need to be added in your daily routine that helps your body organs and glands to function properly. Yoga has emerged as a therapy to cure all the dysfunctions of the body. So here we are giving focus to this natural treatment yoga asanas that require no money investment and benefit you the most. What is yoga? Yoga is a word that clicks a picture in your mind of people sitting in the different twisted body poses. Well, it is an ancient practice of harmonizing not only your body and mind, but also the spiritual and emotional aspects. The word yoga comes from Sanskrit word yuj, which means to unite or join. It shows us a way to integrate yourself into the outside world called nature. Yoga is an inherited gift to us that revitalizes our consciousness. The theory of yoga developed from old Upanishads that explain the Vedas. In the classic period of 500 BC to 800 AD, Lord Mahavir and Lord Buddha developed the basis of yoga sadhana. Afterward, Maharishi Patanjali evolved the systemized way of yoga called Raj Yoga by his Yoga Sutra. In the mid-19th century, Swami Vivekananda brought yoga trend in Western countries. Yoga asanas for menstrual cycle regulation. Nowadays, asanas, a form of yoga that helps achieve fitness overall, become trending to achieve body health, stress release for a healthy state of mind, balanced hormone levels. Baddha Konasana, bound angle pose or butterfly pose. For this, sit down straight with straight legs forward on the mat and keep your spine bone straight. Exhale and bend your knees and bring the soles of your clothes together, touching each other. Bring your heels close to your pelvis as much as you can. Push the outer edges of your feet into the floor and wrap your hands around your ankles. Pause and recline your torso forward and keep your spine neutral by bending. Apply pressure by your elbows into your thighs and knees towards the surface. Exhale and draw your knees apart, extend your legs forward and relax. Benefits of Baddha Konasana. Butterfly pose gives you relief from menstrual pain and solves the issues of menopause. It also improves blood circulation. Setu Bandha Sarvangasana, bridge pose. For this, Place a thick mat and lie down on your back straight. Bend your knees and keep them as close as much to your hips. Inhale and lift your hips and back up slowly. Your shoulders, neck, and head should be straight down to the surface. Do not lift them. Clasp your both hands by fingers right beneath of your back and try to lift your body up. Lift your body until your chin touches your chest and keep your both thighs straight in line. Hold this pose for 1 minute and continue deep breathing. After a 1 minute press, your feet exhale and come down to the surface and relax. Benefits of bridge posture. Bridge pose helps to relieve back pain during the menstruation period. Ustrasana, camel posture. Take the position of Vajrasana and stand on your knees by keeping a gap equal to your hip width between your knees. Inhale and support your lower back by your head. Push your hips forward and inhale, then move your chest to the skyline and drop your head to the back. Stay in this position for 30 seconds. Continue breathing, then come to the Vajrasana and relax. For complete camel posture, sitting on your knees, draw your hands back and hold your heels. Push your hips forward and keep your chest to the skyline. Drop your head backward, then stay in this pose for 30 seconds. Keep breathing in this pose, then come out of this asana and relax. Benefits of Ustrasana. Ustrasana helps stretching the abdominal organs, improve metabolism and appetite, and treat the menstrual cramps and anxiety. Prasarit Padottanasana, wide-legged forward bend. Stand by spreading your legs wide and keep your toes a little inside and balance your body. Move your hands up by sides, exhale slowly and bend your body forward by keeping your spine straight. Put your palms to the surface, or you can hold toes by your hands and stay here for 30 seconds and continue breathing. You can hold up to this step or you can move to Sarvangati from this posture if comfortable. For Sarvangati, you need to hold your right hand wrist by the left hand and move your upper body clockwise and then anti-clockwise. You can do 2 repetitions, then stand in a relaxed position. Benefits of Prasarit Padottanasana. Prasarit Padottanasana helps stimulate abdominal organs like uterus, ovary, fallopian tube, and gives a massage to abdominal muscles. It increases flexibility and increases blood circulation in the pelvic region. These yoga asanas are really helpful in pelvic region organ functionality improvement, and it also improves the flexibility of your body. Try these yoga asanas regularly for 2 weeks and you will start observing the changes in your body. These are the exercises to recover from anxiety and also improve your digestive system. They strengthen your spine and improve mental health. Start your day with these yoga asanas as shown step by step according to your comfort and give your day a fresh start.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.